It's like I can't do no wrong.
Let me catch a vibe, let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
Guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, we've been on the road. Today in this video, I'm gonna be giving y'all this makeup look. As y'all can tell by the title, this is a makeup tutorial, and I'm a do the whole little talk through of what I'm using and everything. And I do think this makeup look came out so freaking cute. Hopefully y'all think the same thing. I know usually when I say I'm doing a fall makeup look, it kind of come out really pinkish. Honestly, when I was doing this look, I thought it was gonna come out like really purple or pink, but it didn't. It's kind of like it kind of is purple, but it's not purple. It's like, I don't know, it's brown too. It's like dark. I don't even know what colors this is. Don't give me the line. Y'all know I'm not good with colors, but y'all get the gist. Yeah, I'm really happy how this came out. If you recreate this look, let me know. I kind of actually recreated this from somebody else. I don't know, it really didn't come out how her makeup came out at all, so I wouldn't even say like I recreated it, but yeah. That's the little background on this, and we just gonna get right into the video because, yeah, let's go. Hey you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set, and I'm using this as a primer because I'm out of primer right now. And after that, I'm going in with my Morphe Eyelid Primer just to prime my eyelids so my eyeshadow will show up pigmented. And I'm going to just blend that out with my fingers because I find it the easiest. And after that, I'm going in with my Too Faced palette, and this was like a Christmas set a couple years ago. I'm gonna just include it in the description which one it is because I'm not sure, but I'm going in with that top color, and that is in the shade. So the shade is Pleasant Dreams, and I'm gonna just pack that in my crease, and after that I'm gonna blend it more upwards than I do downwards. In the same palette, I'm going to use the shade Under the Mistletoe, which is the darkest shade at the bottom. And I'm going to put that in the same spot and literally do it the same way. Make sure to blend, y'all. That's the only way your makeup is going to come out cute and seamless. I had to blend a lot during this video, so that's why everything is so sped up. We taking it back. Remember, everybody used to use LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just running out of primer and everything, so, and concealer and all of that, so I'm just taking it back. And this is in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to cut my crease with it before I put my shimmer on. First shimmer shade I'm using is the one at the bottom of the palette, and that one is in the shade Starlight, and I'm going to just go ahead and put that in my inner corner or inner cut crease, whatever you want to call it. I didn't put it on the whole thing, just halfway through, because on the back end towards my outer corners I'm going to put in another shade, and that shade is going to be Unicorns Pull My Sleigh. It's the more pink shade, and that is what I'm putting on right here. I want my outer corners more smoked out and blended, so I went back in with the Under the Mistletoe shade, which is the darkest shade at the bottom, and just put it on my outer corner and blended it out so the concealer and shimmer wouldn't be too harsh. And here you go, like, it's so cute. Period. Foundation, I'm also using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is in the shade 111. Y'all, best drugstore foundation ever. Go get you some. Lasts all day. It doesn't have my face like super dumb dry or anything. I don't really get that oily, and it looks like skin to me. So yeah, just a little, just a little promo for them, I guess. I'm using the bottom of my beauty blender to blend out my foundation per usual. I think it just blends it out better. And you're going to want to blend out this foundation before it starts to dry, because if it starts to dry, it will set. Going in with my Fenty Beauty concealer, I'm going to use the shade 330, and I'm going to put that under my eyes, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. The contour stick I'm using I got from ColourPop, and it's in the shade Renaissance, but you can use whatever stick you like. I'm actually running out of this, and it's been a struggle trying to blend this out, but it was working. It was working. And in this video, I started blending it out on the edges first and then the middle, and that just made it, I don't know, a lot better than what I usually do. I know y'all like, what does she mean blending edges? But right here y'all can see what I mean by blending the edges. Right here. Today we're going to be using the Airspun translucent setting powder, but I also like the Morphe one and the dang, it was one other one that I like. Oh, the Laura Mercier one. I haven't used that in so long, but I actually like that one too. But this one does the job for right now. And I'm going to just put that everywhere, and under my eyes I kind of like blend it in just so it won't crease as much. I don't know. Maybe it's something in my head, but I feel like it don't crease as much doing that. And once I swipe it away, I kind of just like brush downwards first so I can get my neck, because I don't want my neck to be greasy, and then I just wipe all over my face. And now for the Holy Grail contour palette, True Complexions. This is the light to medium palette, and you can see I use the contour a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cheekbones, and after that I'm gonna do my nose as well. For blush, we're using the L'Oreal True Match, and I'm not sure what shade that is at all, but I showed y'all on the screen, so if you like it, you can go ahead and cop it. And then I'm going to just take my blush brush and put that on my cheeks, and I put a lot of blush on just because I like to look a little peachy. And right now, under my eyes, I'm going in with the same shades that I used on my lid in the same order, the light and then the dark shade. I was just thinking, like, y'all, at this point, this is a whole L'Oreal video. I'm dead. Or I could just, like, name it drugstore. But anyways, right here, I'm going to go ahead with my L'Oreal spray and set my face. And then I'm also going to put on, oh, I'm ahead of myself. We're going to highlight. This is the Golden Child from, what is it, ColourPop? I think it's ColourPop. After I highlight my cheeks, I also do the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my brow bone, my cupid's bow, and the inner corner of my eyes. Now for the mascara, we're using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, and this is my all-time favorite mascara. I've been purchasing the same mascara literally for years, and I'm a person that switches up products usually, but mascara, I don't usually switch up on this one. I ain't gonna lie, like, this is my holy grail mascara. I really wanted to tell y'all what lip liner I was using, but it's so little now, the name isn't on there anymore. But it is a brown lip liner, so whatever is your favorite brown lip liner you can use. And then after that, I'm using my Kylie Jenner lipstick, and it's in the shade Built to Last, I believe. And don't mind the top of the lipstick because it has a lot of ink on it. Also decided to keep my lips matte. I did not put any gloss over this lip shade, which I usually do, but I really liked it matte. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to do some type of like fall makeup look for Thanksgiving because I know it's coming up and I'm trying to get this video out before Thanksgiving, which it is, you know, your girl on the road, Makeup Monday, so stay tuned. Yeah, I will be listing the products in the description below. I know I don't usually do that, but I'm going to try to start doing that because I know it's like you don't want to have to go back and watch a whole video just to look for a product that you see me use. So try to list all the products down below. And other than that, I don't even think I have nothing else to say. I really love how this look came out though, to be honest. The only thing that I'm upset about is the fact that my hair is not fresh, but it's whatever. It's cool. We still serving. We're giving, you know, we're giving Beyonce. Like, no, for real. Somebody told me I was giving Beyonce, and I can't unsee it. That's what I feel like I'm giving, you know, with this hair. And anyways, besides me rambling like I usually do, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video, and turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, so you can just, you know, be caught up already. You don't want to be that far behind. I mean, unless you do, you like to binge watch me, that's cool too. I appreciate that. But, you know, be caught up, you know, so you know what's going on. Anyways, yeah. Bye. So this is the finished, no. Start over again. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I can't keep saying you guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, what's up? Mock. No, I'm kidding. Let's start over for real. Okay. This is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. I tried to do like a fall type of look for Thanksgiving, basically. That's the title of this video or whatever. So no. Stop messing up. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Make it feel like it, like it.